All right, let's look at a modern fix for a super common problem with commercial buildings. For a lot of property owners, the answer is a big yes, thanks to some sneaky issues.
You know what I'm talking about, those constant leaks, water damage, and never-ending repair bills.
And on top of that, poor insulation can make your heating and cooling costs totally skyrocket. So what's the solution? Hulsey Contracting uses spray polyurethane foam, or SPF roofing. It creates this perfect, seamless barrier, which stops leaks and saves you from a costly roof tear-off. Okay, so what does this actually mean for your business? Let's dive into 3 big benefits. First up, fantastic insulation. It keeps the building's temperature just right, cutting down energy bills. Second, that seamless layer is incredibly tough. It stands up to leaks and weather for decades. And third, it's a smart move financially. It basically pays for itself in savings and low upkeep. But the tech is only half the story. The team that applies it is just as important.
And that's where Hulsey Contracting shines, with over 30 years of hands-on experience.
All that experience boils down to one promise: personalized, dedicated service for every single client. They're all about building strong relationships, whether it's with building owners or even large wineries. And you can really see that focus in their process, which is designed to be super simple and clear. From the first chat to long-term support, their 4 steps guarantee you get a top-quality, custom job. And hey, they do a lot more than just SPF roofing. They handle all kinds of protective systems. We're talking TPO systems, wine tank insulation, fireproofing, and even floor resurfacing. So when you boil it all down, you get a really durable solution that protects your property and saves money.
Which really just leaves one big question. Is your building ready for a much more efficient future?